Hi, it's David here with Future Trading. I want to thank my newest subscriber. Thank you for coming on board, as well as Viva Car. I hope I'm saying your name right. Thank you so much for the like, as well as Miss Carly, and I hope I'm not messing up your name as well. So thank you so much for the support, and thank you for the views, you guys. Try to do a bit more. We want to make sure that it's not only a few trying to support the content because everybody's benefiting. Please don't be a taker, be a giver as well. Again, this is some information that I want to make sure that you guys are profiting from. Do your best to share it with others, get them a chance to get out of whatever it is that they're dealing with their trading. So this morning, I made actually I made a shorter video for you guys, so you guys could watch it here on TikTok. Again, showing you some consideration, so you don't miss out because the video that I actually did was a bit longer. It was a bit longer than I knew you guys wasn't going to be able to watch it. So, and I uploaded it here on YouTube as well because there are some people in transit that can't sit and watch a video for so long. However, there's a lot of content in here that I can't put into a 3 minute video. It's impossible for me to do so. So some of what I did here, and you can kind of see me pull that NQ chart away in the header here. Some of what I did explained in this video. I'm going to touch on it real briefly. And then there's another video that we're going to reference as well. So we're going to start what I said in that video when I pulled that chart away. Now, and I'm going to do all of this in less than 10 minutes. So price was here. Price was here when I, told you that they'll get through here. And I even told you that based on some information, again, that I went over in this video, but I'll point to you where you need to go and find this information so you can watch it. So let's go to the must watch section here. I made this so you guys don't have to comb through all of this information. You can go into this video right here and you'll learn the reason why I said that they will blow that turn. Okay, so that's the universal price action real time order flow. You can go and watch that video and you will absolutely know why I said that they would blow that turn. And I stated, to definitely go and watch that here. So they managed to, of course, get down when I pulled the chart back and screen and you saw that they took out that low. And I even looked a little bit further back and I shook my head and I said, well, and then I just said, forget it. We're just going to go with that. And I left that alone. And all of that is in that video. You'll hear me do it. So, but there is something that I want to show you. And that's why this red line is here. That this red line wasn't there in the video that I shot this morning. I just added that for this reason. All right. So when you go back and watch that video, that this red line won't be here, but that one will be because we're going to talk about that line in a second. So the one above it, that was there, and you'll know why in just a second. So on Friday's video, all right. So on Friday's video, I want you to know something. When price was on that bar, and for those who watched let me find it for you real quick. Those that watch the how to trade momentum and not blow out video, I actually put some of this information under the video today so you can reference it moving forward. But those that watch this video, now if you watch that video, you'll see me take trades. Once I take the trade, I'm immediately in profit, and the moment I get out, it would have ran against me. That's what that's all about, like trying to show you how to get in trades fast and get out of them fast. All right, so but in that video, I stated this. All right, and I made sure I put it on the chart for you. It was 12:52, about 13 minutes into that video. I said this: we want to see if they can stay above 860. All right, now remember when I told you that in my services that I offer, and I tried to highlight that too. Okay, I tried to highlight some of that too with the information here so you guys don't miss out on TikTok because I know y'all can't see this. I actually tried to upload it and they did not approve of me trying to do that. So but in you can actually just watch the final proof video and it'll kind of touch on how I go about trading markets. But when I said that 860, it's based on me knowing the ceiling and the floor. And I won't put my money at risk unless I can understand the potential of where price needs to close by the end of the day. And so when I said that 860, after I said it, of course, we begin to take that short. And of course, I wrote it down all the way through this bottom, taking several entries, getting in, getting out, several entries all the way down to take out that bottom and actually playing the chart scale method on the way. So that's something that, again, that I put in this morning's video to go ahead and give an outline of the stocks and forex and stuff. So again, all free information. You can get it. Well, not not the price levels, but you can get the chart scale and the static levels and the trading range. You can get all that information right there. It's absolutely free. I put that there 2 months ago. So if you haven't gotten it by now, you might want to go ahead and do that, and we'll take a look at some of that information too. So that 860. Now keep that in mind. That was on Friday at 12:52. Now trust me when I tell you, I knew this price level long before the market got moving that day. I did. Now here's what you can tell with that same 860, how they got stuck beneath that price level pretty much all day. After they dove down, came back up, kind of just, couldn't get strong above that price level at all. And then, of course, worked their magic all beneath that price level all day long. Only to right at 4 o'clock, wind up right back above it for the close. So really want you guys to, again, when you get a chance, just take a look at some of the information that I'm disclosing in these videos. I know they may be a bit longer. Okay, this is a bit longer here. May not see as many views right yet. And again, even here, you guys, y'all have been watching this. Y'all have been watching this. I know on TikTok, y'all don't get a chance to see videos that's this long. So you may want to head over here to take a peek. But that price level was significant, of course, moving forward as well. They managed to, again, get right above there by 4 o'clock. And I wanted those that watched the video to know what happened with that price level. Now, that red line that was above that line, that's the daily, the open of that daily bar. You can tell they kind of bang their head up against it. Now, for those that want to see what this will potentially turn into, we don't need this price level anymore. We want to see if, because I did say in this morning's video that they should go a bit higher. 16,179 is kind of what I'm looking at, if and only if they can clear this information right here. These two price levels, the open and the mid, if they can get past that, and then of course you got you some statics up there. All right, now again, you can grab the statics, the range, the chart scale, and all that information. Now here's your hourly. Again, 937 price was coming down to this range. From above, if you like catching reversals, again, I released the static. Here it is. 85 starts here. 95, that's your first zone. All right, so your first zone, have this bar. If it go one tick outside of it, it can go to the next one. So the high was 95 and a quarter. So it went one tick beyond the zone itself. So you got to reference the second one. All right, so then the second one managed to get up, and this is from 95 to 05. All right, so the high of this bar for you to see is 05 exact. And then of course they turned away and dropped down to the overnight range. So this is the overnight range here. And I told you that the open and the mid of the mid of the reversal bar and then the open of the second one higher or lower for that matter, if they can stay beneath those price levels, that's kind of what we're doing on the daily. And definitely from below, I don't know if you caught that, but definitely from below, that's what's causing the move up here. Okay, so to open up the second one higher, the mid, all of that is important. And there's the move up. And that's why you're having such a hard time right now at this bar. And then, of course, that is a no close bar, too, by the way. And you got the mid there. So if you want to grab those statics, again, totally up to you. It's right there on the channel. And you can definitely utilize that information. And so we should get up higher. We should. I'm anticipating that that can happen, being that they raced up there and got above that 860 by the end of the day. So what we're looking for now moving forward, if they can, of course, if they can keep going, we will want to see them get above this 16,179 for a close, and that's on the daily perspective. We want to see if they can get that done, and from there we should be on our way. But again, if you want to go back and take a look, and you'll see it is of course dated and recorded. All right, I said it and I meant it in this video. I called that 860 and I meant it. All right, so I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.